Welcome to Solidworks video tutorials. Exercise number 9. Assembly of cam and follower. First, click on new assembly. Now select insert component and browse for the component. Test frame. Now fix the component. Then again select insert component and browse for the component cam. Now select the hole in the cam and the projected part in the test frame. Then give concentric mate. Now select the faces of the cam and test frame and give coincident mate. Now select insert component and browse for the component follower. Now in mate option under mechanical mates select slot mate. Select one end of the projected face of the follower, then the slot face in the test frame. Now select the face of the follower and the face of the test frame, then give coincident mate. Now under mate option in mechanical mates select cam. Now select the path as the outer face of the cam and the face of the follower as the follower. That's it. Our assembly of the cam and follower is done.